Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best phonics games is probably one of the most crucial skills for young learners aged 4 to 8. These games make learning fun and effective by connecting sounds with letters. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic phonics games designed to boost your child's reading and writing abilities, making learning an enjoyable adventure. Get ready to discover how these games can transform your child's learning experience. Number 5. BAMBINO Tree Phonics Flashcards, Reading Education Kit. This kit helps children master phonics and vastly improve their reading skills. It includes 62 flashcards, for sorting rings, and hundreds of words and sentences. It's designed to make learning fun and effective. Kids won't even realize they're learning to read with this interactive kit. They'll enjoy playing games and staying engaged for hours. The colorful visuals keep them interested and entertained. The flashcards are created and recommended by teachers. They cover different levels, from kindergarten phonics to more advanced concepts. This ensures a structured and effective learning experience. This educational resource makes learning fun and helps children read quickly. It teaches sounds and blending, increasing in difficulty as they progress. It's perfect for homeschooling or supplementing classroom learning. This is a winning gift for children and parents. The bright colors and beautiful pictures captivate young eyes. If there are any issues, the BAMBINO tree will take care of you. What we like. This kit is an interactive visual experience, perfect for keeping kids engaged for hours. It's also designed with teacher-recommended levels, ensuring a structured learning path. If you're looking for a comprehensive phonics tool that grows with your child, you should consider this. What people say. These phonics flashcards are amazing. My child has been using them for a few weeks, and I can already see real progress in reading skills. The cards are colorful, sturdy, and well organized by phonics stages, which makes learning easy and fun. Excellent learning resource. Good quality cards, love that they use some of the words in a sentence at the bottom. These cards are the perfect learning tool. Durable for little fingers, store easily, clear and readable, great value, age appropriate for my 4 years old. The colored rings are a big help keeping them organized. Number 4. Learning resources Snap It Up. Phonics and Reading Card Game. This exciting game transforms phonics practice into something kids will love. They build reading skills while having so much fun, they won't even realize they're learning. Watch as struggling readers gain confidence. They successfully create words and improve their decoding skills in a low-pressure, fast-paced environment. This is easily adapted for different ages and reading levels. It's perfect for classrooms, homeschooling, or family game night. It strengthens phonics foundations, including word families, vowel sounds, and spelling. This engaging, hands-on play keeps children coming back for more. Trusted by teachers nationwide, it's an effective small group activity. It promotes creative thinking and improves reading abilities while keeping students fully engaged. What we like. This game transforms phonics practice into an exciting experience. It builds confidence by allowing kids to create words and improve decoding skills. If you have a child who struggles with reading, this is a great choice. What people say. Helps children practice reading, phonics, and word building in an interactive way. Keeps kids engaged and entertained with its quick gameplay. Made from sturdy materials that withstand repeated use by enthusiastic little hands. Number 3. BAMBINO Tree Alphabet and Phonics Bingo. This bingo set includes 26 alphabet and 26 phonics game cards. It features 192 matching words and images. It's suitable for 2 to 24 players, perfect for both classroom and home use. This game is perfect for preschoolers and kindergartners. It helps children learn alphabet basics and phonics skills. They will have fun through interactive play. This game enhances letter recognition, phonemic awareness, and vocabulary. It is ideal for early readers in kindergarten and first grade. The challenge cards add a twist to the gameplay. The game contains 2 difficulty levels, 2 emoji tokens, and cover challenges. These challenges ask learners to analyze and use target words. It makes learning fun and engaging. You can play this game in the classroom or on family game night. It supports 2 to 24 players. It's super easy to use and can be played independently. What we like. This bingo game enhances letter recognition and phonemic awareness. It's suitable for both classroom and family game nights. If you like a competitive and interactive way to learn, you should consider this. What people say. It has two sides of each card, blue being easier words and the red side being next level up words, so children can learn to master both. Kids love and ask to play this all the time. It helped encourage them to read. This is an excellent game which reviews your alphabet with pictures. The cards are sturdy, well made. Number 2. Bambino Tree WOWELs Phonics and Vowel Sounds Card Game. This exciting game helps children learn vowel sounds and phonic patterns. It's designed to make learning fun and engaging for young learners. WOWELs is an Uno-style game where players match vowel sounds and sight words. They won't even realize they're learning while having a blast. Suitable for ages 3 to 9, this game offers 2 games in 1. It's a great way to practice short and long vowels. With 80 playing cards in each deck, this game offers plenty of opportunities to learn. It includes CVC and long vowel words. This game is perfect for family game nights or indoor recess. It helps children improve their blending and reading skills. WOWELs is a winning gift for children and parents. The bright colors and pictures will captivate young eyes. What we like. This is an Uno-style game that focuses on matching vowel sounds and reading sight words. It's a 2-in-1 game suitable for different age groups. If you are looking for a fun way to master vowels and phonics, you should consider this. What people say. This really helps to break down the CVC differentiation for the kids. It's kind of like Uno, very easy to play. There are 2 decks, one for short vowels and one for long vowels, so it's 2 games in 1. Number 1. Word Seeds, Phonics Games for Kids. Introducing Word Seeds, the fun way for kids to learn to read. This game takes children on a journey through a whimsical garden, helping them decode words along the way. It's a fantastic tool for early literacy. Word Seeds is easy to learn and perfect for family game night. With only 15 minutes of gameplay, it keeps young learners engaged and entertained. It is sure to become a favorite in your home. This game includes 132 decodable words, covering CVC words, blends, digraphs, and long vowels. As your child progresses, the game grows with them. There's even a sight word edition available. Word Seeds is a high-quality product designed in the USA, built to last. Parents and teachers love its simplicity and durability, perfect for both classroom and home use. It is made to withstand heavy use. We understand that things happen. If you lose a piece, don't worry. Melby Toys offers free piece replacement. This Phonics Center is designed to be a long-lasting learning tool that you and your students will love. What we like. This game uses decodable words, supporting your child's learning and development. It grows with your child, offering different levels of difficulty. If you have a child who is just starting to learn to read, this is a great choice. What people say. My grandchildren like to play it and it is helping them learn to read. Really helps with beginning phonics. Fun way to enforce skills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.